Hi YouTube, so today we're gonna be playing some Bee Swarm, and I kinda accidentally deleted my first video on it, but well, I didn't do much. I just did a quest for Black Bear, and then Mother Bear over there. So I really didn't leveled up my little bee. But I also watched a video, and I also got some more Robux. Well, I got Robux. As you can see from my bandana, everything else is free. And also, I have good news. I got Bloxburg. I did get another game pass for it. Excellent employee to be exact. I only got it because it's a really good game pass, and I'm gonna need it to build houses. Okay. Oh, 1 second. Okay, looks like our bee is happy and done pollinating. Let's go talk to Black Bear. Quest badge junior. Yeah, I get 5 tickets. Apparently, tickets are very useful for over here. A golden egg, a star tree, a puppy bee, Cub Buddy, 2K tickets. Wow. Okay, no thank you. Talk to you, buddy. Hey, the pollen from each field produces slightly different honey. Most people can't tell the difference, but I can. That's why I love it here. So there's a variety of flower patches. I mean, every field is different. Sunflower, mushrooms, clovers. Today I got hankering for dandelion flavored honey. Okay, I got 250 should be enough. Where's dandelion? Isn't that a dandelion seed? Is it dandelion? Yes. I got 6 from that. Hey, buddy. Okay. Oh, I'm on full. Okay, let's go. And we got a basic bee. I think I'm gonna convert this, and then I wonder if that is. I think what my plan is, I'm gonna go over there, get a new bee, and then go over there and get a new tool and a new backpack. Because this backpack is not doing it for me currently. Ooh, what's up there? Oh, there's tickets up there. So cool. Can I get these? No. How do you get up there even? I can't even get up there. Oh, really? Can I get up here? No. Man, they really thought of that. Okay, that's cool. What's this? Club. Oh, okay. Alright, anyways. Let's buy... That's a lot of money. How much is that? 800 honey for a rake? Okay. Alright, let's go get our new bee. Bee equipping storage. I got nothing. Here, let's get more of this. Looks like we're using a shovel. Don't know how that makes sense, but this game apparently does. That's cool. Alright, let's go get our new bee. We finished our little quest, so we're gonna go do that. 1,000 honey? Okay. Whoa, his bees look so cool. I wonder what that is. Hey, Black Bear. Yes. It's kind of hard to tackle the weeds without hurting the flowers. I figure it's best to leave them be. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another quest. Oh, I got 400 honey. Let's go. Alright, aren't bees amazing? Yes. They collect pollen, make honey, and even defend you from attackers. But did you know some bees are even more amazing than others? There are 4 classes of bees. Basic, I think that's basic. Rare, epic, and legendary. Oh, that's cool. Basic bees look and act the same, but there are different types of rares, epics, and legendaries, and those all have special abilities. Some of them are faster or stronger. Some of them even create tokens that give you special boosts. Those bees are pretty hard to get in basic eggs, but a silver egg has a guaranteed chance of being at least a rare. If you complete my next few quests, I'll give you a silver egg, but don't expect it to be easy. 500 pollen? Alright. Ooh, what's up there? Let's go check it out. Looks like I have to do some parkour. Let's get my 500 honey. Is that thing gonna be okay? Ah! No, my basic bee's out of energy! I think it's an attacker. I'm really sure it's an attacker. Ow! Okay, it's a bad thing. Oh, I got a treat. Ah! I'm gonna get up. Alright, come on. I played some Tower of Heck. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's a royal jelly. Okay. Ah! It regained all its HP. Come on, basic bee. Can't get me. Ooh. Come on, basic bee, get him. Get him. Let's go. Nice. Alright, let's get out of here. It's cool. Oh, there's a royal jelly up there. It's cool. Let's go up there. Ooh, what's that? Is that another royal jelly? Let's climb this. There's another up there. How do I even get these? Oh. Hey, buddy. It's kind of your time to shine right here. Okay. Ow. Ah! Bad timing. Get out of here. Ah! Excuse me, I'd like to go. Finally. Okay, we're good. What's this? 6 tickets. Okay. That's cool. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. So many pros. Nice job, here's a word. Yes! I can get a new bee. I'm not even gonna read that. 600 red pollen, then I'll go over there. May I? Thank you. Alright, let's go over here. Let's give my new bee. Yes. I'm gonna increase the bond. You get 1. 3. And then this one's also gonna get it. Yes! Alright, now this is my highest one. Oh, I got a rare. Cool. You're welcome, buddy. Okay, so I need to collect pollen. You know what? I haven't talked to the mother bear for a while, so let's go do that. So we can get another quest. It's actually... Oh, there's a... Yes! A sunflower seed, what I wanted. Yeah, I found that out, a bit ago. I'm not gonna read that. Feed 5 treats to bees. Alright, how can I... How many? Okay. Oh, I have a ticket. Oh, awesome. I'm not gonna use it. Well, how much do I have? 2K? Okay, I'm not gonna. Gumdrop. Oh, you can name your bear? That's cute. Alright. Save up some treats for the time being. Alright, then we're gonna have to go play in the mushroom field, yeah. Oh, epic. Oh no, I'm lagging. Oh cool, I'm at 1K. Alright, let's go get that rake. I think it was 800. I'm not sure. Hey, look at the rake. Yes. Cool, this should be at least a bit faster. Oh cool, there's a little thing over there anyways. It's awesome. See if I can get it. Come on, give me the treat. Give me the treat. Oh, cool. What is this? Let's go. Oh, I got strawberry from that. Awesome. I think if I just keep on clicking here, I can get this a lot more faster. Come on, guys. Oh well, that's okay. I was so close. I'll just get in there. It's fine. Alright, let's go to my little hive and convert my honey. Oh, I think that's going to be it for this video. So, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.